In this video, you will learn how to configure ET curve alarms and how to analyze triggered alarms within the system. ET curve is a tool for analyzing the correlation between energy consumption and outside temperature. ET curve identifies this relationship and forms the foundation for ET curve alarms. To use alarms, you must first have a saved ET curve for the selected facility and quantity. To begin, navigate to the EMS. Select ET Curve tab, then choose a facility and a quantity, for example, district heating. From here, you can automatically generate a new ET curve based on historical data. Here you can see the characteristic pattern, a left side heating slope and right side plateau after the heating is turned off during summer. You can edit the curve by opening Settings from the Actions menu. Start by previewing the automatically calculated curve, and if needed, adjust the X and Y coordinates. Move the coordinate points to adjust the slope or the height of the curve as needed. Once your adjustments are complete, click Save. You can return to your saved version anytime, or regenerate a new one if needed. This saved curve becomes the prerequisite for setting up alarm configurations. Next, go to Admin, then Alarms. Select Current Profile and choose the facility for which you saved the ET curve. Click Add Alarm and select the quantity, such as district heating. Because ET curve alarms operate on quantity level rather than meter level data, you will not be required to choose specific meters. Choose the alarm type, for example, ET curve deviation week. You will notice that the deviation thresholds are automatically inherited from the saved ET curve. If necessary, you can override them, for example, by setting a 5% deviation. If you want alarms for both positive and negative deviations, you must create two separate alarm configurations. You may optionally set minimum limits, which means that if the consumption is under the threshold, the alarm will not be triggered. Next, choose which months or weekdays the alarm applies to and adjust alarm timing. For weekly alarms, full weeks from Monday to Sunday are always evaluated, so the recommendation is to set the alarm timing for Wednesday to make sure data from the full week is available in the system. You can also enable quality settings that ignore alarms triggered by missing data. Save your alarm configuration when finished. To view triggered alarms, go to the Energy Management section and select Alarms. Filter by ET curve to quickly locate all alarms related to the ET curve functionality. When you select an alarm, the system recreates the graph along with deviation lines. You can see the predicted consumption based on temperature and compare it to actual consumption. The system also shows the deviation amount in kilowatt hours and as a percentage. Email notifications also include the graph and all relevant alarm details.